Alright guys, welcome back. So I've already started and I'm starting off with this hanger that I found. I really like the pattern on it, so I decided to use it with some tape and scissors and the Tulip Color Shot Instant Fabric Color in the color Gold Shimmer. It's really pretty, works great. So here I'm positioning the tape in the shape that I want it, and it's going to be in a triangle shape. So I will put the stencil right on top, and so I'm blocking off everything else, so it's only going to be paint on that particular section. Taking the Gold Shimmer fabric paint, shake it up really good. I actually purchased it from Walmart, and I'm going to hold down the stencil and spray. I think I was a little too close, but try not to move the stencil as well because it's going to change the pattern when it dries. What we're going to do is wait 5 minutes to dry. That's the first coat, and then we're going to do a second coat and wait again. Hit my bottom, it just won't stop, it go. So this is how the front of the shirt looks like after I've used up so much tape to position where I want spray painted. So I didn't want to get tape everywhere else. I was using up too much tape, guys. So I used cardboard to block off the sections where I didn't want any of the paint to get on. So this is what you see here. If you run out of tape, anything like that, look, sometimes you just have to hack your way through these situations, and it's perfectly fine. And honestly, it just made it so much easier to move quicker and not having to worry about spray paint getting everywhere, and it blocked off everything. And it made it really easy to move quickly. So I suggest doing something like this. Use what you have. That's what I did. You gotta use what you have. I make no promises, I can't do golden rings, but I'll give you everything tonight. Magic is in the air, there ain't no science here, so come get your everything. So this is how it looks like after I've painted everything, and you gotta let it dry. You gotta read the instructions, but I think it was about for an hour that I waited for it to dry. And then you start peeling off slowly, as you can see. It was very sticky, so I may have to come up with another method, but for now, this one worked for what I was trying to do here. And I wanted to do something with minimal materials and very easy to do, and I think I accomplished that with this look. So this is how it turned out. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. There's some imperfections, but you know what? I had fun doing this look, and I really like it, and I want to do more of that. So let me know if you want to see more DIYs. If you guys have your own tips, please share below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.